Welcome for today at Sanyak Agropreneurs TV. It's another farm day, and today we are delving into the world of avocado plus other crops, alongside other crops like the pawpaws you can see, and also the legumes down here. You can see there's a lot of leguminous. Today we are going to focus on intercropping. So in avocado farming, especially this Hass Avocado, this plant takes several years before they grow into this size like this one of mine. So this plant is actually about 2.5 years old. You can see it is fruiting. You can see the plant itself is healthy. Yeah, it has also grown big. So you can see in height it has grown or outgrown me. Also the other avocado tree over there, alongside all these pawpaws. So before this tree grows to this size, there is a lot of space that is left behind with no crops. What are you going to do with this space while we are waiting for this avocado to mature and grow to the full size and start fruiting like this one of mine? So before your crops grow to this, I'd advise you should intercrop it with crops that are friendly to your Hass avocado trees, like the pawpaws, like the leguminous beans or peas. So you can put 2 fruit trees in one farm. So I put 2 fruit trees, which is the avocado and the pawpaws, in the same field, plus the leguminous plants. There are crops that you are not allowed to intercrop with your avocados. One of those crops are the pumpkins or the butternuts. So why do I allow other plants to be intercropped with avocado and the other plants to be or not advisable to intercrop? One of the reasons are the spread of the diseases. The butternuts, they have some same diseases that goes with these avocado trees, like the powdery mildew, or there are crops which have white fleas, so you cannot intercrop this with avocados. So instead of leaving your field to stay idle, you can do intercropping, so with crops that are friendly to your Hass avocado trees, like the pawpaws, like the leguminous crops that are good to intercrop with the avocados. Make sure, for number one thing is the rooting system and the diseases. Okay, let me say those are the main things to consider while doing intercropping of your avocado. So that is it for today, or our farm day today. So I urge fellow farmers or agropreneurs to intercrop, utilize their field like I've done to mine, and intercrop with other different varieties of crops like fruit trees, like the pawpaws, like the leguminous. They are also nitrogen fixing, so more advantage to your field. Instead of leaving your field like that, in our today's farm day, I'd advise farmers or agropreneurs to do some intercropping. That is it for today from Sanyak Agropreneurs. Thank you. Please subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button below, and let's stay together and learn more together. Put your comments there, and we educate each other in some good farming methods. Bye bye.